Hello students, today we will take an example of iterated interpolation or Atkins method. The example is describe Atkins method of iterated interpolation and find the unique polynomial of degree 2 or less such that the value of function at x equals to 0 equals to 1 and value of function f at x equals to 1 equals to 3 and the value of function f at x equals to 3 equals to 55. Now in the asked example, the Atkins method of iterated interpolation was described in the previous lecture. Now we focus on to find the unique polynomial of degree 2 or less using the given 3 points. So we can see here the given points are 0 1, 0 x equals to 0 and y equals to 1, and second point is x equals to 1 and y equals to 3, and third point is x equals to 3 and y equals to 55. Here we have considered the function fx equals to y equals to fx. So now we calculate first approximations. So by using the formula delta z of the first approximation, delta 01 x equals to 1 over x1 minus x0 and the value of determinant the values of the determinant whose rows values are y0 x0 minus x and y1 x1 minus x. Now putting all these values in this equation, here x0 equals to 0 and x1 equals to 1 and y0 equals to 1, y1 equals to 3. We substitute all these values in this determinant, then we obtain this relation, and solving this determinant we obtain delta 01 x equals to 2x plus 1, which is the linear in nature. Similarly, we obtain delta 02 x by considering 0th point and second point, x0 equals to 0 and x2 equals to 3, y0 equals to 1 and y2 equals to 55. Substituting all these values in this formula, we obtain the first approximation as delta 02 x equals to 18x plus 1. As the given points are the 3, so we are able to calculate the up to first approximations. Now we obtain the second approximation which considered first 3 points, and the here points given are 3, so we are able to find only one second approximation, that will be the unique polynomial of degree 2. So using the formula of the second approximation, delta 01 2x equals to this. Here as we can see, x2 is the 3 and x1 equals to 1, and delta 01 x and delta 02 x are given by the equation 1 and equation 2. So putting all these values, we obtain delta 01 to x by this equation, and solving this determinant we obtain the unique polynomial of degree 2 as given by the expression here delta 0 1 2 x equals to 8x square minus 6x plus 1. This is the unique polynomial of degree 2 calculated by given 3 points. Now we take another example, that is certain corresponding values of x and log 10x are given here. These are the 4 points related to the values of x and log 10x. 4 points are given here related to this, and we have to find the value of log 10. We have to find log 301 at the base of 10 using the interpolation by the iteration or Atkins method. Now to solve this question, let us consider log 10x equals to y. Then we are given the following set of points: 1 point, 2nd point, 3rd point and 4th point. We named as n equals to 0, 0th point, n equals to 1, 1 point, and n equals to 2, 2nd point, and n equals to 3, 3rd point. So we name them as in the formulas of iterated interpolation. As we have discussed, the Atkins schemes is represented here. We have to determine first approximations. As the points are given 4, so we are able to find 3 first approximations and 2 second approximations and 1 third approximation that will give the final result, third approximation. Now comes to the first approximation, as we have to determine the value. As we have to determine the value of the function at the given points x equals to 301, we have not to determine the polynomial. So we put the value in this method. We put the value of x in the formula. Here x equals to 301. So in the first approximation, we obtain first approximation by considering the points 0 and 1 delta, and the approximated value is given by delta 0 1 x. So putting the value x0 equals to 300, it is given here, and x1 is 304, and y0 value is given. Y0 is value of y0 is 2.4771 and value of y1 is 2.4829, and the value of x is 301. So putting all these values and solving this determinant, we obtain the value of delta 01, which comes out to be 2.47855 given by the equation 1. Similarly, we obtain the first approximation by considering the points 0 and 2. The value of x2 is 305 and the x0 is 300, and the value of y2 is 2.4843 and the value of y0 is 2.4771, and the putting values of x equals to 301, then we can calculate the value of delta 02 at 301, and the value comes out to be, after solving mathematical formulas, we obtain delta 02 equals to 2.47854 at x equals to 301. Similarly, we can obtain the first approximation by considering the point 0 and 3, and the value for the solving this delta 03, we put the value x3 equals to 307 and x2 equals to x0 equals to 300 and y0 equals to 2.4771 and y3 equals to 2.4871 and x equals to 301. This is the x0 and this is the x3. Substituting all these values and solving, then we obtain the value of delta 03, that is given by the equation 3, that comes out to be 2.47853. Now we obtain all three first approximations. Now comes to the second approximation. For the second approximation, we consider the values of delta 01 and delta 02 here at x equals to 301, and considering the point x2 and x1, the value of x2 equals to 305 and the value of x1 equals to 304, and putting the value of x, which is 301, in this formula and solving, we obtain the second approximation of given by delta 012 at x equals to 301, which comes out to be 2.47858. Now we again obtain the second approximation by considering the point 0, 1 and 3 and taking the first approximation delta 01 and delta 03. The value of x3 is 307 and the value of x1 is 304, and delta 01 we can write we have obtained given by the equation 2, and equation delta 03 given by the equation 3. We substitute values. Delta 01, we substitute delta 01 and delta 03 in this formula, and x3 equals to 307 and x1 equals to 304, and solving this determinant, we obtain the second approximation delta 013 at x equals to 301. The obtained value is 2.47857, and finally we comes to the third approximation, which considered all the given 4 points delta 0 all the given 4 points 0, 1, 2 and 3, and this third approximation is represented by delta 013, and given by this formula, we substitute the value of x3, which is the 307, and x2 equals to 305, and the values of delta 012 is given by the equation 4, and the value of delta 013 is given by the equation 5 here, and putting the value of x equals to 301, we obtain that in this formula, and then we solve all this multiplication and subtraction process. We obtain the third approximation 2.4786. So finally we get the value of function log 301 at the base of 10 is given by the third approximation delta 0 1 2 3 at x equals to 301 equals to 2.4786. So answer is delta 0 1 2 3 301 at x equals to 301 equals to 2.4786. So this is, here we have discussed two examples of Aitken's method. In the next lecture we will discuss the inverse interpolation. Thank you.